In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for niche subculture research fast and easy. If you're interested in diving into niche communities or uncovering emerging trends, Google Trends is a fantastic tool that can give you insights into what's gaining traction. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just someone intrigued by subcultures, this tool can be incredibly valuable. So let's get started and explore how you can leverage it effectively. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Google Trends and hit Enter. You should see a list of results, and typically, the first link should be your best bet. Click on it to open the Google Trends homepage where all the magic begins. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Explore button, which will allow you to really dig deep into the data. Now, to start your research, think about the subcultures you're interested in. Consider specific keywords or insider terms that they use. These can be slang, hashtags, or even terminology unique to that subculture. For example, terms like cottagecore, dark academia, solarpunk, or vaporwave could be great starting points. Enter one of these into the search bar on Google Trends and press Enter. To gain broader insights, it's helpful to adjust your settings to view data worldwide rather than a specific country. You'll find an option to switch the location to worldwide. Additionally, setting a longer time range, like the past 5 years or even from 2004 to the present, can help you detect significant growth patterns. This will show you whether the interest in the term is rising, stable, or diminishing over time, giving you a clearer picture of its trajectory. Once you've entered a term, scroll down the results page to explore the related topics and related queries sections. Here you'll find rising queries and topics, as well as breakout terms, which can indicate trends with viral potential. Collect these terms as they can serve as expansion points for your research into niche subcultures. Moreover, Google Trends has a compare feature, which allows you to compare multiple subculture terms side by side. This is particularly useful for understanding which subcultures are growing at a faster rate or have more global traction. Such comparisons can be crucial in prioritizing your focus, whether for content creation or product development. Finally, don't forget to check the regional popularity through the Interest by Region map. This feature illustrates where each subculture is most concentrated. By identifying these hotspots, you can strategically target your content, products, or even plan events in locations where the interest is highest. And there you have it. You've now got the tools and know-how to use Google Trends effectively for niche subculture research. Dive in, explore, and uncover all the hidden gems within these fascinating communities. Happy researching!